Today I am talking about something special about Meta platform stocks. These stocks traded at this moment $594 and today's return which is 0.48%. In the last 5 days these stocks give 2% more than return. In the last 1 month these stocks lose 9% market valuation. In the last 6 months these stocks lose 11% market valuation. In the last 1 year, these stocks lose approximately 22% market valuation. That means very poor perform about these stocks. So what do you think? Always do your own research before investing. And hey, I am not telling you to buy or sell these stocks. I just break down the numbers so you can decide smarter. In the last 5 years, these stocks give only 63%. And if you see the maximum return, that means 1465%. So these stocks give very low return, but these stocks are big market valuation. So always do your own research before investing. Follow for more US stocks breakdown.